Hello everyone. I'm so glad to have you here. Thank you for stopping by. Today I want to talk about this gele, and the reason I'm going to talk about it, I'll be explaining it shortly. Know that this is Sego gele, the Sego, the big size Sego gele. So we're going to talk about that later. Then I'll be up with these tutorials on Monday. I'll be up live with tutorials on this gele on Monday. So why we are going to talk about this is that a lot of people don't know how to achieve this style using the Sego gele. So most people think that when they want to make this gele, the way that they cut the pattern of this gele will not allow them to be able to get out enough of the size or height that they need to achieve this particular style of gele. Hence, I thought of bringing it to you so that those persons that might be having challenges on how to cut and use this gele to achieve this particular style would be able to get clearer understanding of what is expected of them to do. It's very easy. Anyway, what I'm about to explain to you is very easy, but I still feel it's very important because I trust that there are some persons that might not really be aware of this particular information. So we're looking at how to cut this gele so that we can achieve this style. So to achieve this A style using this Sego size of gele, you have to cut the gele correctly. If you don't, you will not be able to use it. Now, do not start by cutting out what you need for the base. If you do that, you will be doing it the wrong way and you might not really be able to achieve your gele. So here is how you should cut, okay? The correct way you should cut is that you are going to cut this gele in a form like histogram. This might want to look like mathematics, like histogram, you know. So we are going to start by measuring the length we need for the button of this gele, which will be 30. So you know that this material is already on a fold, so you will measure 15. You will not measure 30, you will measure 15. From the point of that 15, you will cut like 12 inches upwards. Please, if you are finding it difficult, I think this video will help you. It is on a fold, and please look at where you are cutting from. The part that is not separated is the part where you will start your measurement. If you start measurement from the part that is separated, you will end up condemning your gele. So the part that is joined, do you see it? Okay, so you cut 15, then go up like 12 inches, then you come back and cut. Look where I just measured now is 20. So it means when you open it, it will be 40. When you open the 15, it will be 30. Okay, so when you open this one, it's going to be 40. So we go up by like another 12 inches. Okay, and then we measure 50. So to measure 50, you will be needing 25. I did not measure again, all right, because I can do it without tape. So you take 50, and then you when you get to point of 50, you go up by like 12 or 8 inches, because by this time the length of the fabric is already reducing. All right, so after 50, you might not need to do any other thing. Just do not cut the end of the gele. So with 6 inches to the end of the gele, you can just cut out the remaining part and it will look like this. So you can see that it comes in step. All right, the lowest step is the last, which is the top. The highest step is the down. All right, so it will appear like this, unequal, just like when you join your ashoke. That's how it is. We start by cutting 30, 40, 50, 60, and then 70, as the case may be. So that's just how you cut this gele. And when you cut it like this, the remaining parts that you cut out is where you are going to get the base and the base cover from, and also that is where you are going to get the belt from. All right, so with one Sego, you will be able to achieve this style completely. I hope this video will help you. All right, so thank you very much for stopping by Creative Events International today. And if today is your first time discovering us, please do wait to subscribe to this channel before leaving today, and also please do recommend us to other of your friends so that they can as well subscribe to this channel. All right, and then if you still feel that you have any other question, drop it on the comment section and I will quickly respond to you immediately. So from my end, it will be goodbye because I'm done with this video. I will see you in my next video. And please do not forget that I will be going live on Monday about, let's say, by 10, between 10 and 12, all right, in the morning, with the Gele videos that I just showed you, the side notes. All right, bye.